Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. So this is going to be a Madame Glam design slash divine decals. So this is going to be my base color. So this is Smelly Cat. I do have a discount code for Madame Glam. I will put it on the screen. So I'm going to be using it straight over clear tips today. I haven't done anything with them, haven't buffed them or anything like that. No base coat, just going straight in. I will show you the first coat on all the nails, then the second coat on 2 of the nails, just because it becomes very repetitive. So I will pop that on and then I will cure it for 30 seconds. So it's 30 seconds in a UV LED lamp and 2 minutes in a UV. So these go on really nicely and they level out really nice. So I'm just going to let you watch this bit and then I shall come back. These are the other colours I'm going to be using today. So I'm going to be using Walk of Fame, Welcome to LV, oh, such a beautiful red, Fries Before Guys, which is really pretty, and I'm also going to be using Blueberry Cream as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take some of it and put it on this palette thing that I've got. You get like loads of sheets of it. I got it off AliExpress. So I'm going to be doing it this way just because I want to have a bit more control, because I'm just going to be kind of sort of like putting a bit of the gel polish kind of like in different places on the nail. So I just wanted to have a bit more control. So I will finish putting these out and then, oh, look at that, it's so pretty. Reminds me of just sunflower yellow, so pretty. And then I will take a nail art brush, just any brush, doesn't matter, and I'm just going to place kind of like different kind of like shapes, strokes, whatever you want to call it, in different places on the nails, and then I will cure it because obviously I don't want the colors to blend. So I will just keep placing it on, and yep, just different places, different amounts, kind of different sizes, you know what I mean, just sort of like just playing about with it, whatever I felt, you know, needed a bit of colour, and then just flash cure it, and then yeah, just carry on adding the other colours. Okay, I will put some music on and let you watch this bit. So these are the water decals I'm going to be using today. So these will just be clear, they will just have the outline. So I thought it would be perfect for this set. Unfortunately, you can't buy these anymore because yeah, Divine Decals is not open anymore. But I still think these look really nice. If you've got something similar, or maybe a stamping plate, or if you're good at freehand, you could freehand these and it would work just as well. So all I'm doing here is just putting the water on the back of the decals. Don't swamp it in water, and then it just slides off if you do it this way. You can do it the normal way where you put it in a small amount of water, or you can soak like a cotton wool ball or, you know, pad. You can soak that. You can do it that way, whichever way you want to do it really. So yeah, so when these are ready, they will just slide straight off the backing, which I will show you in a second. So like this, just slide it straight off. And because I've also used the colours will show through. That's why I thought these would be perfect for this abstract design. I haven't wiped off the tacky layer, so this will stick into the tacky layer. So yeah, I will continue to lay these on and then I shall come back. I'm just using my silicone tool just to make sure they're definitely pressed down and, you know, there's no gaps under the decals. Just be very gentle when you do this. So now we're going to use the nail art gel from Beautylux. I love this stuff. I do have like I bought like 2 different sets. I really need to swatch them and show you. I'm just trying to figure out a way to sort of like do it. So if anyone has any suggestions, which is the best way for me to sort of like use them and show you at the same time, please let me know, because I really need to do it. So yes, anyway, I'm just taking my dotting tool and just dotting some dots just wherever I feel that, you know, they would look okay. Yeah, just with this design you can just play about with it and just do whatever you want to do. You know, there is no right way, there's no wrong way. Just, yeah, just have fun with it. So yep, I will just continue applying these, and yep, this is this set pretty much done. So yep, I will just let you watch this bit and then I shall come back. Okay, I'm just going to apply a base coat just to make sure that these decals are definitely stuck down, and just to encapsulate them just a little bit and smooth out the obviously the patches of polish. I don't know what you'd call it. So yeah, so I will pop this on and then I'm going to apply a matte top coat, and this is this set finished. So let me know down below what you think about this. I know it is very quick and easy, but I think it looks really nice. I think it turned out really nice, even though it was very simple, very quick to do. But yeah, yeah, I like how it turned out. I like these colors all together. So yeah, this is the velvet top coat. Really nice top coat. So yeah, let me know your thoughts down below, what you think about this one. And don't forget to give this video a like and leave me a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts, and don't forget my discount codes. I will try and remember to put them at the end, and they're always down in my description box anyway. And yeah, just let me know any thoughts you have. Well, thank you everybody so much for watching today. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and hopefully I will see you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye.